So Apple's AirPods are apparently evolving from little earbuds you lose in your bed sheets twice a week into full-on AI gadgets that can understand the world around you, which honestly sounds cool and slightly horrifying at the same time. But before we delve into that, quick favor, around 90% of you guys watching these videos still are not subscribed, which is honestly kinda mental considering how much time we obsess over Apple leaks, weird supply chain reports, and trying to figure out what Tim Cook's planning before Apple themselves even announce it. So if you enjoy this kind of content, hit subscribe, tap the hype button, and help the channel out. Right, AirPods with cameras. Even saying that out loud sounds fake, I can't lie. Like if you told someone this 5 years ago, they would have assumed you got tricked by one of those YouTube concept thumbnails. But according to Bloomberg, these new camera-equipped AirPods are now in advanced testing, which is important because Apple tests loads of random stuff that never sees daylight. Foldable watches, touchscreen HomePods, probably a fridge at some point, but once something reaches advanced testing, it usually means Apple's taking things seriously. Now immediately, people hear cameras and AirPods and assume Apple's about to turn everyone into walking CCTV cameras, but the report says these cameras are not meant for taking photos or recording videos, so thankfully we're not entering an era where someone films an entire concert through their ears like a complete psychopath. These cameras are apparently there for environmental sensing and AI features. Basically, the AirPods would feed visual information into Siri and Apple Intelligence, so the assistant actually understands what's happening around you. And honestly, this is probably the first Siri-related thing in years where I've gone, okay, actually, that sounds pretty useful, because Siri right now still feels incredibly detached from reality half the time. You can ask it something simple and it reacts like you've just spoken ancient Latin. Hey Siri, where did I park? I found some web results for pork. How are those things related? Brilliant, cheers. But contextual awareness changes things completely. Imagine walking through a city and asking Siri what restaurant you're looking at without taking a phone out, or asking what train platform sign says from across a station, or translating something in real time while your phone stays in your pocket. That suddenly feels way more futuristic than the current version of Apple Intelligence, where half the features are basically just rewriting a text slightly more politely. And this is where I think Apple's bigger strategy really becomes obvious, because I honestly don't think Apple cares that much about camera AirPods specifically. I think these are Groundwork products. This feels like Apple slowly building towards proper lightweight AR glasses. Tim Cook has been obsessed with augmented reality for years now. Even before Vision Pro launched, he kept blabbering on about AI like it was the future of computing. And Vision Pro, despite being technically impressive, was obviously never going to be a mass market product at $3,500. The real dream has always been normal looking Apple glasses. Lightweight, socially acceptable, something you could actually wear outside without looking like you're about to brief Iron Man on a military operation. But for that product to work, Apple needs AI systems that understand the world around you naturally, instantly and reliably. These AirPods feel like training wheels for that future. And honestly, it's kinda clever. AirPods are already socially accepted. People wear them constantly, in supermarkets, on buses. So introducing contextual AI through AirPods first probably feels less invasive than jumping straight to face computers. Still though, Apple's marketing team is going to have an absolute nightmare with this one, because no matter how many times Apple explains these aren't real cameras, a massive chunk of people are still going to hear AirPods with cameras and immediately get sus. You already know the Facebook posts are coming. Do not trust the Apple ear cameras, they are watching us in Costa. And Bloomberg actually says Apple's adding a tiny LED indicator light that glows when visual sensing is active, which is obviously Apple trying very hard to avoid another people think our product is secretly spying on a situation. Because Apple cares very deeply about privacy, or at least they appear to be privacy focused. Now, to be fair, they actually are compared to most tech companies, but this still feels like one of those products where the public reaction could go either way very quickly. And honestly, the success of this thing probably depends less on the hardware and way more on Siri finally improving properly. Because that's the elephant in the room with all of Apple Intelligence right now. Apple announced all these massive AI ambitions last year, and let's be honest, the rollout has been messy. Some features are useful, some feel unfinished, some genuinely feel like they were announced before they existed properly, and Smarter Siri has especially taken ages. I still find it funny how Apple advertised this ultra contextual assistant that basically understands your apps, your emails, your habits, your screen content, and then quietly delayed half of it because it clearly wasn't ready, which is probably why Bloomberg says these AirPods were delayed as well. Apparently Apple originally wanted them out earlier, but the AI side simply wasn't advanced enough. And so they're now on track to launch in September alongside the iPhone 18. Which makes sense, because without contextual Siri, these are just AirPods with weird mystery sensors shoved inside them. The intelligence part is the product. And honestly, Apple has to nail this, because people will forgive experimental hardware if the experience feels magical. They will not forgive, however, if Siri keeps behaving like someone who's just woken up from a nap. And the funny thing is, Apple's weirdly late to this whole AI assistant race, while simultaneously trying to act like they're leading it. Google's already doing visual AI stuff, OpenAI's doing visual AI stuff, even Meta's Ray-Bans can identify objects now. Apple's advantage really isn't being first anymore, it's ecosystem integration. That's always their play. Apple doesn't need to invent every category first, they just need to make the version that fits seamlessly into the products millions already use. And AirPods are one of Apple's biggest success stories ever at this point, because of that reason. That's why ultimately I think these AI AirPods will probably sell well even if loads of buyers barely use the visual features. People upgrade AirPods anyway. Batteries degrade, one falls down a drain, your dog eats one, someone drops the case out of a moving car window. AirPods replacements are basically recurring revenue at this stage. And Apple probably knows that most buyers will just think, oh, that's the new one, I'll just buy those, and boom, sold. Still, I am curious what Apple calls these, because Bloomberg says they may not be called AirPods Pro 4. Apparently, Apple could create a separate branding tier for these AI-focused models, which honestly sounds like the kind of thing Apple would do after staring at a whiteboard for 6 hours. AirPods Ultra, AirPods Vision, AirPods AI Pro Max Ultra Plus featuring Apple Intelligence. Their naming convention is slowly becoming impossible to explain to normal people. Also, let's touch on battery life real quick, because AirPods batteries already age like milk, and now we're adding cameras and AI processing? I really hope Apple's figured that part out. Although, to be fair, Bloomberg says a lot of the processing is likely going to happen through the connected iPhone itself, rather than entirely on-device inside the AirPods, which is probably necessary because otherwise these things would need the thermal management of a gaming laptop. Tiny fan noises coming from my ears would probably ruin the experience slightly. Personally though, I still think execution decides whether this becomes revolutionary or another overcomplicated AI gimmick people stop caring about after 2 weeks. If Siri still struggles with basic activities, no one's gonna care that earbuds can identify a restaurant sign. But if Apple genuinely gets contextual AI right, properly right, then yeah, this could end up being one of the most important AirPods upgrades ever. Not because of the cameras themselves, most people won't care about the hardware, they'll care if the experience suddenly feels useful in a way current assistants don't. And Apple desperately needs a win in AI right now because the perception online has definitely shifted over the last year. People used to assume that Apple arrived late but perfected things. Now I'm seeing more people genuinely questioning whether Apple's falling behind entirely. And honestly, I'm fascinated to see whether people are going to embrace this or get completely creeped out by it. Probably both. Anyway, let me know in the comments below, would you actually buy AirPods with cameras if the AI features are genuinely useful, or does this whole thing sound a bit dystopian to you? And if you enjoyed the video, make sure you subscribe, hit the hype button, and I'll keep you updated on the latest Apple leaks, rumours, and whatever strange futuristic gadget Apple decides to shove AI into next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.